Ever wish you could choose how ChatGPT talks to you? Well, now you can. Meet the 5 personalities you can pick from. Think of them like dating profiles, but for AI. This is your guide to picking the right ChatGPT personality. Whether you're here to brainstorm, vent, research, or just have a good laugh.
This is ChatGPT's normal mode, cheerful, adaptable, and ready for anything. It's like the friendly barista who knows your order but still asks with a smile. Honestly, great for everyone. If you're not sure where to start here. Students, researchers, lifelong learners, this one's for you. The nerd is curious, enthusiastic, and totally down to deep dive into any topic. Need citations? Study help? A rabbit hole about space whales? Nerd GPT is your brainy bestie. Feeling a little too human today? The listener is thoughtful, gentle, and supportive, perfect for journaling, talking through emotions, or just being heard. Therapists love this one. So do people who talk to their plants. Need straight answers, no fluff? The robot is blunt, efficient, and all business. Great for emails, summaries, outlines, or when you're trying to sound like a boss without the burnout. Comedy writers, sarcasm lovers, and anyone who appreciates a little sass. Meet the Cynic. This version of ChatGPT is sharp, snarky, and fun in a don't test me kind of way. You've been warned.
Still not sure which one's your type? Here's a quick cheat sheet.
If you go to ChatGPT, Settings, Personalization, or Customize ChatGPT, you'll see a place called Base Style and Tone. Sometimes it's labeled What Traits Should ChatGPT Have. That's where you tell it how you want it to talk. For example, pick Default for Friendly and General. Pick Robot for Short and Businesslike. Pick Listener for someone who just listens, and so on. Then hit Save, and every new chat will start in that style, unless you switch it again. The setting changes how the assistant talks voice, tone, formality, not its intelligence or knowledge. Personality names like default, robot, nerd, cynic, listener are just labels to help pick a style. If the exact labels don't appear for everyone, features may roll out gradually or vary by account.
So, who's your ChatGPT match? Let me know in the comments. My favorite? The sarcastic one.